So here is the Chromebook, and this is going to be showing how to use the HDMI to VGA dongle to connect the Chromebook to a projector. So I'm going to plug this into the HDMI port on the right hand side. The screen, I think, will flash, and notice that it kind of cut out the spaces here just like it does on a MacBook. Now initially when I did this it didn't do that, but so then when it knows that it has an external monitor connected, the controls on the bottom right have this thing here now called mirroring to HDMI to VGA. If I click on that, it brings up this web page. Right now it is mirroring, but I could click on stop mirroring, and now it's no longer mirroring, and notice that it's extended the whole screen. So I'm going to get out of this Chrome browser. Sorry, I'm going to swivel. I don't mean to give anybody a headache, but now I've got a totally different monitor image, just like the Apple laptops, an extended monitor. So if I come down here and I open up a web browser, it's open there. Sorry again. If I go back up here, I have that extended monitor because I don't have mirroring turned on. But if I go back here and I come down to that little control area on the bottom right, click on extending screen. Now I want to start mirroring. Once I click on that, now the screen is going to get that black space on the right and left hand side. And now I have that exact same image mirrored up here. So there you go.